What if I told you are overpaying for your n8n hosting by more than 500%? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can achieve the enterprise level n8n hosting at just 499 rupees per month. That's 69% off from the regular price. Plus, I'll reveal the secret code using which you will receive more 10% off, which most people don't know about. But there is a catch. This offer is only valid till August 17. So stick around the video because not only we are going to make your n8n hosting enterprise grade, but also saving the cost by hundreds of rupees every month. Hi, I am Lakshit. If you are new over here, I help people automate their tasks using n8n. Over the past 9 months of using n8n, I have tested dozens of hosting providers for n8n, and today I'm going to share something which will change your mind that how you think about n8n hosting cost. Before we dive in, and if you are serious about automation, press that subscribe button because I make 2 videos every week and it would be my honor to have you on board with my automation journey. So this video we are going to break in 6 parts. So whichever part you like, you can skip to that. The first part is what is n8n and why does it matter. The second part, we are going to understand the cloud versus self-hosting and the truth you need to understand. The third part, we are going to see the problem the user face with hosting. In the fourth part, I'm going to show you the best hosting provider. In the fifth part, we are going to do the live setup for that hosting provider. And the sixth part will be your first automation workflow which you can do on that. So let's get started. So for the people who don't know what is n8n, n8n is a very powerful AI automation workflow which can build any kind of a workflow. So you might be knowing the Zapier. If you add steroid to the Zapier, it will give the n8n. So whatever you can think, n8n can do it. So and it has a very powerful and growing community. So you can see in the GitHub only, they have more than 1 lakh star over there. And this community is going crazily. And you can see over here, they have more than 500 integrations. And also they have more than 3000 workflow automation template. You just have to use this workflow and directly import in your template. I'll be showing you one of them. Don't worry about this thing. But from this, you can see how powerful n8n is. And now to use n8n, most of the people make costly mistake while choosing how to run the n8n. So now to run n8n, there are 2 ways. You can use either the cloud, which n8n provides, or you can do self-hosting. So n8n is an open source, you can do the self-hosting. So if the people go with the cloud, so in the cloud, you can see they have 3 plans. So one plan is for the 24 euros per month. It roughly translates to 2400 rupees per month, 60 euros per month, and there is the enterprise level. But in the cloud, they have the limitation. So in the cloud, you can have only 2.5k execution every month and only 5 active workflow at a time. So you are paying so much amount of money, but you're getting so less over here. And also your data, your everything is with them and on their server. So the best option for us is to go for the self-hosted. So the cloud is best when you want to start learning and to see how things are getting it. But now if you are serious, you should go for the self-hosted version. So in self-host, you will get unlimited execution, unlimited active workflow, whichever workflow you want. It depends on all your capability of your server. Self-hosting is a clearly winner over here. But most of the people think self-hosting is a complicated way. So let me show how their assumption is wrong. Most of the people think that self-hosting requires technical knowledge and technical background. And it might be true for some of the scenario. For example, if I want to see the real scenario of n8n hosting, first we need to set up the Linux server. It could be anywhere. It could be in AWS, it could be in GCP, Azure, anywhere. Then we need to download the Docker and manage the container. Then we need to have the security setup, then SSH, and so many things. Today I'll be showing you the best hosting provider, which is Hostinger. So Hostinger has a build system where by pressing just one click, your n8n will be hosted. And nothing you need to worry about managing the Linux server, managing the Docker container, nothing. Just one click and you're good to go. And they give you the unlimited workflow, unlimited execution, and we can also use the community nodes, which is a great part over here. Okay, and there is a monsoon sale going on over here where you can get 71% off on n8n VPS hosting. And if you use my coupon code, you will get more 10% off. I'll be showing you, don't worry about that. First, let's choose the best plan over here. As you can see over here, in 399 per month, we are getting this kind of workflow over here. There you will get 4GB RAM, 50GB disk space, 4TB bandwidth. This plan is good for the people who are just starting and just knowing how n8n works. If you are serious, if you want to build proper automation over there, I would recommend go with the KVM2 plan with only 500 rupees per month. And don't forget about my special discount where you will get 8GB RAM, 100GB disk space and 8TB bandwidth. This is best for the most of the people. And if you're more serious, you can go with KVM4 and KVM8 plan. So let's choose this KVM2 plan and let's set up it. First, let's choose the plan. Then as you can see, we are selecting 24 month. Then there is a 12 month as well. And there is a 1 month as well. But I would recommend going with the 24-month plan, which will give you more discount. You can go with the 12-month plan also and 1-month plan also. But in the 1-month plan, you won't get much of the discount. If I choose 1-month plan over here, as you can see, the price increases and you cannot apply the discount code which I am going to give. So let's choose the 24-month plan. Choose the best server location, whichever is nearby you. Operating system, don't worry, keep it everything as by default over here. Then come over here, have a coupon code. Yes, we have a coupon code. Just write Lakshit 10 over here and apply it, and you will get more 10% off over here. So as you can see, 10% off has been applied. Now let's continue. Now put all the information required over here and complete the payment part. So if you want to use Hostinger, there is a link in the description below. Once you are done with the payment, they will ask you to set up the page, provide the root password, which you can use later to log into n8n, and then you can see such similar page. Now whenever you click on manage app, you are good to go. Here you will be showing you a page where you will be asking you to fill the name, email ID and everything. Then you can see the blank page of n8n server, which is ready to automate your everyday task. So as you can see, we have our blank page over here. Now let me show you how easy it is to create a workflow. First, we'll go and get some template. So click on new page, just search for n8n templates. You will get the n8n official website. Click on that. Whichever template you want. Let's say for example, I want kind of AI agent template. So I'll write for AI agent. Let me click over here. And as you can see, there are so many templates over here. There is a template which help us to generate AI viral video with sedans and upload to TikTok. I click on it. As you can see, I can use it for free. So if I click on use it for free, I can just copy it. I copied it. I'll go to my n8n, create a workflow, and I have to simply just do the paste over here. And as you can see, the whole template is ready in front of you. How easy is that? This is a big workflow. If you're starting up, don't worry, don't go with such a difficult workflow. But if you are pro, you can go with no problem over here. Only the warning sign which you can see, you have to paste your own API key over there and everything works perfectly fine. So let me show you one easy one. So let me come over here, go to template. As you can see, we have this simple template over here. I can click on this. I can use it for free. Just copy it and just paste it over here. As you can see, everything is ready over here. So you can have pre-made template available for you. In my school community, I have shared so many different pre-made templates. You can go over there and you can check it out. Don't forget to check out Hostinger from the link I have provided in the description below. I hope you liked the video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.